When coffee was considered so dangerous, they tried to ban it. Oh, how times have changed. Picture this, 1675, London. King Charles II wakes up, probably cranky and definitely decaf, and declares, "Coffee houses are ruining the kingdom." You see, back then, coffee shops weren't just places for overpriced lattes. They were hotbeds of gossip, government trash talk, and rebellious ideas. And that scared the crown. So, what's a king to do? Ban coffee houses, obviously. His official reason? Idle chatter and dangerous rumors. Translation: people were talking smack about him over their cappuccinos. But, in a twist that'll surprise no one, the ban backfired faster than you can say, "extra shot of espresso." Londoners revolted, and within weeks, King Charles quietly gave up. Coffee, 1. Royal Decree, 0. So, next time you sip your brew, remember, it once sparked a rebellion. And hey, if you found this as wild as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more history that's stronger than your morning cup.